Hey everyone, welcome back to Code with Ahmad. Today, we're making a simple and beautiful Tic Tac Toe game in Python using Tkinter. It's really easy to understand, fun to build, and perfect for beginners. Before we start, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss any new tutorials. Alright, let's get started. The code is in description. First, we import everything from Tkinter. Tkinter is the library that lets us make GUI windows in Python. We create the main window and call it root. Then, we set the title to Tic Tac Toe and give it a dark background color. This window is where our game will run. Start the game by setting the first turn to player X. That means X will play first when the game starts. Defining the click function. Now we make a function called click. This function runs every time a player clicks on a button. It checks if the button is empty. If it is, it places the symbol of the current player, X or O. X is shown in green, and O is shown in red. After placing the symbol, the game checks if anyone has won. Checking for win or draw. If there's a winner, the label shows who won, with a celebration emoji. If the board is full and there's no winner, it shows it's a draw with a handshake emoji. Otherwise, it switches the turn automatically. If it was X's turn, now it becomes O's turn, and the label updates too. The check-win function. The check-win function holds all the winning combinations. It checks rows, columns, and diagonals, and returns true if three same symbols are found in a line. Disabling the buttons. When someone wins, the disable buttons function turns off all buttons so no one can play further until the game is reset. Reset function. The reset function restarts everything. It sets the turn back to X, clears all button text, and re-enables them for a new game. That makes the game replayable without restarting the program. The label on top next, we create a label at the top. It shows whose turn it is, starting with X. The text is white. The background is dark, giving it a clean and modern look. Creating the buttons. Now we create 9 buttons using a simple loop. Each button represents one square of the tic-tac-toe grid. The command part of each button connects it to the click function. So whenever a player clicks a button, that function runs and updates the board. Starting the game. Finally, we call root.mainLoop. This keeps the window running and listening for player actions, and that's it. Our game is live and ready to play. Now let's test our game. When we start, the label says X's turn. We click a button, and X appears in green. Then O takes a turn, shown in red. We keep playing, and when one player gets 3 in a row, the game shows who won, right on the screen. If all boxes fill up and no one wins, it says it's a draw. Then we press the reset button, and the game starts again, fresh and ready. And that's it. You've just built a full tic-tac-toe game in Python with Tkinter. It's short, easy to understand, and looks clean. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one.